Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Undertale. In the last video, we explored Snowy Town. We explored this whole entire town, and we fought Papyrus. We didn't kill him. We didn't kill him. And yeah, and also we also talked with Sans, and that all happened in the last video. So in this video, I think we gotta go on a date with Papyrus. I think.
Deja vu, I just been this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go. Going new and the
Yo, what's up, mate? What's up? So you wait, wait a minute, give me one minute. Oh, you came back to have a date with me. You must be very serious about this. Yeah, totally, so serious, bro. Have I have to I have to take you to some place really special, a place I spent a lot of time of. Uh, okay, so not the library. Is it gonna be Gribblies? Oh no, it's not Gribblies. Where are we going? My house! Oh. Alright, then it's going. Boom. Okay, wow, this is. Damn. Damn! This is a big house. This is my pet brother, Pet Rock. You always forget to feed it. As you learn, I have to take responsibility. The rock covers wrinkles. Oh, okay. What's this? There's a dirty sock with him. There's no sock. Yes, please pick up your sock. Okay. Don't put it back down. Don't put it back down. Move it. Okay. You move it 2 inches. Move it to your room. Okay. And don't bring it back. Okay. It's still here. Did you say not to make bring it back to the room? Forget it. Yeah. What was it? Ooh. Eh, 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 eh.
deja vu, I just been this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go. Going new and the
Okay, enough fool around. That's a trash can. Feel free to visit it anytime. Okay. And by the way, I always go out to eat, but recently you try making something like a queen, but filled with sugary nuggets. I'm absurd. Okay, there's empty pie tin inside the stove. A brush, I increased the height of my sink. Now you fit more bones on your rectangles. Okay. Oh, is that dog perform aboard? What? Got that king, manly king I. Curses! Eh, Sans, stop blessing my life with gay music. Man, I can tell that they both love each other so much. Let's see. Oh my. It's a full papyrus somehow. Even the spaghetti picture gone rancid. Oh. A single gold coin sits at the bottom of the box. It could be a source of distress. It's some kind of blueprint, marked with a red X. It's hard to tell if it means rejection or treasure. It seems like the more they try to tie things together, the more free everything becomes. It seems they've lost the will to fight. A rope become brittle with rust. Uh, wait a minute, what's this green thing? The dumpling is hardened. It turns back into a regular dumpling. That's a dumpling? The dumpling turned green? Oh damn, bro. Damn, this place is real. It's just a tap of the especially dog food. You press it, milk came out with dog skin. Damn, this place is real. It's a broken game CD. You saw yourself reflection in the shattered pieces of the game. The boombox had totally fossilize. Go and play rock music. Oh, I got it. I get it because it called fossilize. Uh, so anyways, it's some kind of rejection occurs. You see, I've been rejected over and over. Yes, the door is locked. From a mysterious seal. Upon closer inspection, it's actually pretty strongly made. It probably naturally fall by it probably naturally fall by off by the time their journey is nearly over. Yeah, so I think in the because like Undertale, tale damn. So on so like this part is different for different you're playing on different console or PC. I think like PS4 is different, PC is different. I think, and now Switch is different like this. So anyways, let's go back. Wait, this all is fresh. Let me check it's fresh. Haha, interested in my film museum? Please, pursue my trusty art food show. After the bridge, food, continue always spaghetti. But if these containers, nothing but, they don't have, I contain nothing but an empty bag of chips. Alright then, this is it. Do you think right, so what else do we got in Papyrus's house? Gotta share. You touch the couch, it makes a jingling sound. 5 buses, loose coins inside. Got 20G, let's go. I'm rich, bro. Got 20 coins. Oh, it's my favorite game show. It says stay tuned for a new program. MTV. What? It's usually better than this. This is just a bad episode. Don't judge me. Alright then. It's a joke book, okay? Take a look inside? Yes. Inside a joke book was a quantum physics book. You take a look inside. Inside the quantum physics book was another joke book. You look inside. There's another quantum physics book. You decide to stop. Oh man. You keep doing it. I don't know. Okay. Welcome to the see it come my house. Enjoy and take your time. Okay. Mm. This will be the pirate's house, huh? This a classic image. Always remind me of what's important in life. Bones, bone. The door is locked. Wait, let's go right here. That's my room. You're finished looking around because go in and do whatever people do when they date. Yes, I'm like, got a box of bones. Hey, those are all my texts that I use on you. Great memories, huh? It seems like you're only yesterday. You know, it basically just happened. That sure did happen. I almost definitely did not die. The internet is quite popular there. Oh, just a dozen away from a double-digit follower count. Of course, fame has a steep price. A jealous show happy to besides my own life persona. Always send me bad puns and goofy fonts. Hey, think I know who that person is. There are no skeletons in my closet. It's just me sometimes. Inside the closet? Yes. Those are hang out neatly. It's like, oh, hmm, that's pretty cool. That's pretty great. That, that book, one of my favorite. Advanced Puzzle Construction for Critical Minds. That book is also one of my favorites. Peekaboo with Fluffy Bunny. The ending always gets me. Okay. Ah, yes, action figures. A great reference for a satirical battle scenario. How many do I have? Well, let's just say they're from a chubby, smiling man who loves to surprise people. Yeah, that's right. Santa. Santa is real. I know it. I know it. Hey, so what? Oh, is this flag? And that flag, Neo. And I found it at the base. I think it's from the human world. Now, I know you're thinking, why would a human flag have a cool skeleton on it. Well, I have a theory. I think humans might have descended from their skeletons. Skeletons. Right then. So what's this? That's my bed. Oh. Wait, give me one. Okay. If I had to the surface, I'd like to drive down a long highway, wind in my hair, sun in my skin. Of course, that's just a dream. Just as cruise while I snooze. Alright then. Alright, I'm ready to start this date thing, I guess. I don't know, bro. I've never been on a date before in my life. Eh, if you, if you, if you've seen everything, do you want to start the date? Sure, but yes, let's begin. Okay, thing starts. Thing starts. Here we are, our date. I actually never done it before yet. No, me neither. Honestly, I feel like I regret this a lot. But don't you worry, you can't spell prepare without several letters from my name. I stack a official date rule book for the library. That's a book, bro. That is not a book. That's a straw. You can't tell me that's a book. That's a straw. We're, uh, we're ready. We're ready to have a great time. Yes, see. Step 1. Press the controller. X button for the date. Oh, gotcha. So B. Nah, you can. When they. Aw, hey. It's. Howie, I feel so informed. Yeah, me too. I feel so informed. Because. Because I record this on Wednesday night. It's like. I mean, not on Wednesday night. Wednesday morning. It's 1:30 in the morning. My bad. Yeah. I think we're going. Wait for step 2. Step 2. Act on my date. Ahem. Human. It's late, papyrus. We'll go on a date with you. Sure. Really? Wowie. I guess I mean wait for step 3. Step 3. Night clothes so you care. Wait a second. Where clothing? That big arrow on your head. You're wearing clothing right now. Not only that, earlier you were supposed to wear clothing. No, could it be you wasn't even from the very beginning? No. Despite that, you should wear clothing all days. But you're assessing me? Just decided? No, your dating power. Let's go. See? You should always say no. So you think you best me yet? I stuck like papyrus. I've never been PID and never will. I can easily keep up with you. You see, I too can wear clothing. In fact, I always wear my special clothes underneath my regular clothes. In case somebody happens to ask me on a date. Behold. Oh, there. What do you think about my new style? I love it. What's cool, bro? No, a daily compliment. Okay. However, you don't truly understand the hidden power of this outfit. Therefore, what you just said is invalid. The days won't explain any further unless you find my secret. But that won't happen. Okay, so you just wait. And holding my hand so I tell you the answer? No, I must resist. I see. You like super by biceps of your full heart. But who does it? Wait a minute. Papyrus can see my heart? Okay. Okay, that's good to know. Human souls are stronger than monster souls. But the oh goddamn. But the souls of our souls, on the other hand, are not the same. Oh, right here. There's no secret to my life. Because hard work and persistence. Are you sure? They sure did really say cool, but I proved it. Expert article can be improved this way. I honestly, they're sure it's honestly more cooler from. Oh shoot, I hit my desk. They're more cooler by saying cool. Okay, what about your hat then? My hat! My hat! My hat! Damn. Well, then you found my secret. I have no choice. It's a present. A present just for you. Open it. Is that brains? You know what this is? No. Yeah, that's right. You have no idea. So this appears to be spaghetti. There's a play of spaghetti pasta. There's a spaghetti white. Sleek spaghetti by the agent Oakley pad. They cooked by me, Dr. Seth Papyrus. To wait, it's not to end this. There's no way to go any further. Um, I guess I eat it. Scrumptious, bro. It's gonna be delicious. Take a small bite. The face elected is crushed up. The taste is unsurprising. What a passion. What a passional expression. You must things like my cooking. Bro, I love it. It's great. And by the essentially me more than I do. Ag, erg, no. Oh, damn. Oh, damn, wait for the piece. You mean, it's clear now that I need some water. Okay, but you're madly in love with me. Everything you do, everything you say, it's all pain for my sake. Human, I want you to be happy too. It's time for me to express my feelings. It's time that I tell you, papyrus. I, um, boy, is that hiding here just me? Oh, shoot. Human, I'm sorry. I don't like you the way you like me. Yeah, it's okay. Romantically, I tried very hard to. I thought that because you flirt with me, that I would go on a date with you. That'll work in real life sometimes. Then, then on the date, feelings will blossom forth. I'll be able to master. I'll be able to match your passion for me. But alas, the great papyrus, has failed. I just, I feel the same as just before, but instead, my name you, uh, damn, my throat is dry as hell. I only drawn you deeper into a test love for into your test love for me. A dark prison of passion with no escape. How could I do it to a dear friend? No, wait, that's so long. I can't feel anything. Human, I help you through these trying times. I keep being a cool friend. It acts like this never happened. At all. You are very great. It'll be sure to lose your friendship. So please, don't cry because I won't kiss you. Because I don't have because I don't even have lips. And hey, someday you find someone that's great as me. Oh no, that's not true. But I help you for second best. Let's go. My throat, bro, is dying. Holy moly. Oh, and you need to reach me. Here's my phone number. You can call me at any time. Platonically. Well, I'll go. Yes, bro. Yes. My throat is so dead right now. And we're only 20 minutes in the video, so we might as well just keep going, you know? We still got time left. Let's go. I'm not stopping till we hit someone that 30 mark. And we're not even close to that yet. We gotta continue. Gotta keep moving forward, bro. Don't move backwards. Always move forward in life. Here we go. Back at waterfall with this beautiful background. With this right here will be our new background. It's save. I've never really talked to anybody here before. Who's Pirates? Dance. Uh, I'm going to ignore that call. saying it's papyrus. Don't call it papyrus. Ring, ring. My brother has a station here? Yes. He made two stations at once. Amazing, isn't it? He splashed off twice as much as normally. Hey there, we continue. Ooh. This is a box. You put items in or take out items out. But, 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 why would you though? You can't use items while they're in a box. Sincerely, a box hater. Damn. What is your hate? I think there's some. Yeah. Yep. It is. There's tutu laying on the ground. Will you take the tutu? Yes. The old tutu. The now I got tutu. Used to. I put this. Oh, fell. Yes. I put this. Oh, damn. 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 Gotta go back to the shop very quickly, bro. I ain't a new. No, I.
Go, 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 go. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 faster. Moving at the speed of sound.
Man, back here. I need to buy some bicycles and one cinnamon bun. Or I'm out. Peace.
Go, 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 go. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 faster. Moving at the speed of sound. Quickest hedgehog around. Got ourselves a situation.
We're back. Move forward in life. Let's go. Now let's continue. I'm a great dodger. So let's go. What? Oh. Hi, Undying. I'm here for my daily report. Oh, so that's Undying. Regarding that human I call you about earlier. Huh? Did I fight them? Yes, of course I did. I fought them violently. What? Did I catch them? Well, no. I tried really hard, but in the end, I failed. What? You're going to take a human kill yourself? But by dying, you'll have to destroy them. You see? You see? Very good. I understand, dying. I help you any way I can. No. No one's here. Go away. Nobody's here. You just heard a mouse. You just heard a mouse. Calm down. Calm down. Put down. Yes, yes. Just go down. Okay. That's just terrifying. Anyways, I'm gonna go to save it. Yo, do you see her? See the lady that she was staring at you? Yeah. That was awesome. I'm so jealous. Why you get to? What you do? You get her attention by moving. Come on, you can watch her beat up some bad guys. Okay. Oh, oh, that's sad. Because he got no hands, no arms. So he's aw. Okay, let's continue. The adventure. Give me a moment. When four red seeds align in the water, it will sprout. Okay, so give me. Thank you. There you go. There we go. Right there we go. Let's try. Oh, you enemy. Aaron flexes it. Okay, Aaron, catch my forces as well. This seahorse had a lot of HP force power. All the attacks are hard to dodge at the bottom of the box. Okay, check all you want. I don't want you though. You're ugly as hell, bro. Like, don't come near me. I totally won't. Aaron is admiring his own muscle. You flex. Aaron flex twice as hard. If you flex in context, okay, flex more. Oh dear. Oh dear, he flexed too hard. He used his flexing power. Oh no. Hey, wait for your next flex. flex hard. Flexes twice as hard. Nice. I will use. Okay, I actually got dodge this because after this attack, I got heal. So I don't want to meet that lord. Yeah, I know. Perfect. Oh, wait, no, that butterscotch. So I said butt pie. I don't know why I thought that. Give me my bicycle. You want bicycle? Education, hobby, talent. Easy. Sorry, flex. You flex. It flex very hard. You flex himself out of the room. Let's go, I won. Now that's how you win a flexing contest. Make sure they flex so hard that they leave the room. So you got. Okay, I should go this way. Go first. So we got like 3 ways. Okay, what does that say? Congratulations! You filled the puzzle. Ah! Yeah, wait, what's this? If an error is made, the L can call the police and his order. Okay. I go this way then. Bam. Bam. Hmm. Under the low, there's a one queen sand on each bed. Wait, this is a queen that sand made. So they put it down here. They get, you got the bank. I just want to ready for possibilities. Let's see what a big quench does. Big quench Q34. A psychologically damaged Spanish egg pie. Okay, now let's go here and do this. Next one. Right there. And there we go. Right there. Ring. Hello, there's a papyrus. Did I get this number? It was easy. I just dial every number sequence I your. So what are you wearing? I'm actually for a fact. You gosh you are you wear dusty tutu? That's you? Are you wearing dusty tutu? Yes. So you're wearing dusty tutu. Gosh you. Oink oink. Have a nice day. Bye, papyrus. What's this? What kind of monster open that all their hearts? I bet all their wishes now all we all we had is the squishing room. Okay, so this is where people can wish themselves. Gosh. So you 1,000 people listen together can't be told wrong. You can't go through that. Oh, what's your Washer was the washer was Washer attack 18 to 5 this hormone river folks. He took places the world. Tweet scrub dubs. You gotta protect them at all costs. You gotta protect the duck and Washer. And get wrong thing like a dumbass. Damn. Okay, stop throwing so bad, bro. Stop it. Clean. We gotta wash it to clean. It hops around silently. We must protect them at all costs. The washer will eat the bird inside. Clean, clean. Hey, I got quick. Give me that. Yeah, I got it. Let's go with detergent. Yeah, I will wash it. Come on, sis. Make a wish. I wish my sister I will see the real star someday. What's this? Go through the telescope? Yes. Oh. Oh, so you can see. Check wall. Oh. Okay, well, guess. Hmm. This. Ah. See, my horoscope is the same as last week. Well, of course. It's just sparkler stones in the sky. I don't know what you expect. Oh. Hmm. Okay. This ancient writing covers the wall. You could just make out words. The war of human and monsters. Why did human attack? It seemed that they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. It would take the soul of nearly every monster just to equal the power of a single human soul. But humans have one weakness. Ironically, it's the strength of their soul. Its power allows it to persist outside the human body even after death. If a monster defeats a human soul, then it can take its soul. A monster with a human soul, a horrible beast with a formidable power. It's an installation of a strange creature. There's something very unsettling about this show. Okay, guess I go on this little boat. I mean, this plane. Eh, eh. What happened to the music? Where the music at? Why was so dark for? I like it. Oh! Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh no! Leave me alone! Nope. Damn, guy again. I was not safe. But you run, just keep run. Just keep running. Oh shit. I'm a master dodger. I'm a great dodger. No, I'm rebuking again. Uh, if you be quiet, she cannot hear you. Please tell me that's not me. Please tell me that's not me. Oh, thank goodness that was not me. Is he okay though? It's just like the way that she pick him up and just put it back down. Like I got you. It's like, it's like I got you now, child. Oops, wrong kid. I guess I'm going away now. Really, what that scene remind me? What really that scene was? Oh, oh, you're fine. Yo, you saw that? Yeah. A giant just touched me. I'm never washing my face ever again. Okay. Man, are you unlucky? I'm lucky as hell. I didn't die. It's just a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry. I'm sure we see her again. Yeah, bro. I'm sure we see her again. I can't wait. J point. This the seas have been here so long. A magical crystal has grown around it. It's stuck to the table. The mouse. I love how every single new place we go, the mouse always appears. Squeak. No one, knowing the mouse might one day extract the seeds from the magical crystal fills you with determination. And with that, guys, that is it for the video. If I want you to play some more Undertale in the future, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you all next time. Goodbye, everyone.